I'm Ben, and you're currently watching Ben Mancha. I'm finally back, coming back for more videos. You know, I'm trying to do a video a week now. Icon hoodie. So let's get into the unboxing. The package right here from PacSun. You know, you got the PacSun Fear God holiday drop before Christmas. So let's take a look and see what I got. I've been wanting this for a long time, and I was finally able to buy these. This is my first piece of this item from this essentials line. So let's take a look and see what I got. There they are right there, Fear God Essentials. Oh man, these feel amazing already. Let's see, you got the receipt right there. These things look amazing right off the bat. Here we have them right here. They are right here, Fear God Essentials. I'll be giving you guys some B-roll of it. Of course, you got the Fear God Essentials sweats. I've been wanting a pair of Fear God pants forever. Now I finally was able to cop these. I'm so excited. These actually did sell out really fast. I'm super excited to have these in my collection now. So let's open these up. They come in a new bag. It says Essentials Fear God. The last drop had, I think, fog or something like that. Okay, right off the bat, I'm opening them up. The dust bag to the side. Here they are. Right off the bat, you get this paper to protect the essentials. And right off the bat, guys, these things feel amazing. Woo! Here they are right here, the Fear God Essential Sweats. I've been wanting a pair of Fear God pants forever. Finally was able to cop them, and man, oh man, I'm gonna be wearing these all the time. Signature Fear God drawstrings, the long drawstrings. So let's take a look at these. The cotton they use in these guys is next level. It's worth every penny for these pants right here. So if you want to cop them, definitely go cop them. You know, they are gonna be on resale, but these are very high quality, very thick, and very comfortable. And these are the new ones for the holiday drop with the stripe down the sides of them. Essentials on the thing. And you've been seeing a lot of celebrities, Jerry Lorenzo himself wearing these ones. I definitely love these. Like Justin Bieber was wearing these out. So you got essentials on the left leg. You got the stripe vibe right there. On the back, you know, I love the Fear God pants because he put so much attention to detail in them. You have like stitching going down the back of the leg. Very nice. You got the PacSun tag right there. You got the Essentials Fear God tag, which is very heavy duty. The tags, Essentials Fear God on the inside. With the Essentials other tag. And right off the bat, man, these things are amazing. If you want to see how these look like on, follow my Instagram, benmancha_. I will be posting a pic with these on. You have the little cuff right here. And these are a baggier pant. These aren't meant to be like really tight. These are meant to be more baggy with a little drop crotch. They do have that right here. All the stitching on these, man, is amazing. I definitely recommend it, guys. If you guys, you can see, they actually add this little part right here. This is not cotton. This is actually the same material right here for the drop crotch, which is amazing. So definitely, guys, if you want to cop these, I highly recommend you at least cop a pair of these. They are really expensive for these pants, but I definitely recommend it. Perfect for the holidays, perfect for a gift, anything. And yeah, definitely recommend these. If you want to see what they look like on, how I style these, definitely follow my Instagram, benmancha_. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe. Remember to cop the Christmas tee. Half the proceeds go to Toys for Tots. Cop the Icon collection. All links down below. And I'll be back next week, hopefully. And until next time, peace.